How is it that they are making so much money when they have very little talent?
Give me a yard boss, Stevie. Yo, the original yard boss.
So these TikTokers that you see in Jamaica, how is it that they are making so much money with persons that actually sit down on their life for 2-3 hours and then just give them money? These persons obviously don't have any sort of job, or these persons are obviously rich.
I think a lot of us misunderstand TikTok and how TikTok work. They must say there's a long list out there that the FBI is actually investigating people over here who shoot lions, bears and teddy bears. I mean, how the FBI work, them just show up and just take you away. Them not gonna leak no list. If them leak a list of people who are currently under investigation, only thing gonna happen. The people them have a runaway. Not gonna be able to find them. Do they have scamming on TikTok? Probably. I don't know. But for the mass majority of those who are ranking on a day-to-day basis, I started out as a screen recorder, yeah, and I'm in these lives regular day in, day out, and you have genuinely hard-working people in America and abroad and overseas who are actually gifting these creators, yeah. They're gifting their donuts, they're gifting their money guns. Where creators really make them money, is in the trenches. Every now and again, we would see like big matches, we'll see lions and tigers and everything flying across the screen. But the truth of the matter is, most of these creators, they make their money in the trenches, yeah? When them around, you will see some of them go and play donut games, right? We see the people them just send donut, and when there's payday, you may see the occasional lion running across the screen. Now, this is to prove, right, that these creators, most of them are making their money legitimately. When you go into the lives, yeah, and you see multiple people gifting. So let's say, for example, a big creator who may not call the person name, yeah? You would see this week a certain amount of shooters shooting. Yeah, you have like 3 or 4 of the shooters them a shoot. Yeah? So basically the shooter them, whenever some shooters have money, them go over there and then just go shoot. Yeah? And me know a lot of these shooters personally, behind the scenes. These are people who have their corporate jobs overseas, but there is such a thing as like getting addicted to gifting. Yeah, you can get addicted to gifting because you get the big up, and you get the big up in front of 10,000 people, in front of 15,000 people, and you become known on the app. There's a lot of shooters on the app that are well known on the app, and them grow them following that way, and then them can do them business on the side, right? So to say like the people them, every one of the TikToker them over here scam, that is false. Not because you can't do it. Not everybody can come on TikTok and people gift them. And to say that the people, the creators them don't have any talent, that is also false. Yeah? Because look on Swissley the other day. Swissley just keep a party, and look how much people turn out at the party. Even though he had Skeng and he had Valiant, but the people them, without Skeng and Valiant, I think the people them would have still show up to the party. You get what I'm saying? Because they have the TikTokers, them have the pulling power now. You have Rosalie. If Rosalie keep a party, it done. It sell off. It gone. Yeah? And if you sit down in a Rosalie live, there are people who are genuinely gifting Rosalie and all the creators. Not to say that everything is quickly clean, that you may not have like a scamming here and there, but for the mass majority of people who are gifted, these people are entertained by whatever madness the creators them are do. So on the can't say because them are no king, them are no comedian, them are no actor. TikTok is different. TikTok is a mix-up place, right? People tune in for hear people business. Yeah? It's like a passa. It's like down a Coronation Market If you don't understand TikTok, don't cause judgment over here, over on TikTok. Because TikTok is nothing like YouTube. Totally different than YouTube. And a lot of people who over here on TikTok, probably them can't make it over YouTube. That's just how it go. Yeah? Them not gonna be able to make the amount of money with them make on TikTok over YouTube. Right? Because it's just a total different audience. Total different audience. So please, make the TikTokers them go and make their money. Nothing lasts forever. Right? Nothing lasts forever. Make them go and make their money. And if you involved in a scamming, I don't know a clean card as the allegation say, well, recently the United States, a company in a bunch of investors in the United States purchased TikTok. So previously it was controlled by the Chinese. Yeah? And under the Chinese, it's like the Wild Wild West. Now, TikTok is in the hands of the United States as far as like the US portion. So now TikTok, the Oracle and the guys in charge of the United States, now they're going to be able to see the books. They're going to be able to see all the transactions that's going on TikTok. Prior to the sale, US entities could not see the transactions. Okay? If somebody identity was stolen, well, best of luck. You're not going to be able to get anything from the Chinese them, because more than likely, them don't care. But now it's a total different ballgame. The United States own a portion of TikTok. Yeah? So I would say, wanna be on the P's and Q's, right? Because now, the feds will be watching even more closely. Alright? So big up on yourself, all TikTokers. I wanna boss me. Salute. Want to eat on the food. But be careful out there. Be careful out there. Because a lot of people grudge on the phone the money. Alright. Jaja. Salute.